Most families don't start by rejecting water filters. In fact, that's usually their first solution. Something simple, something trusted, something that feels like a step in the right direction. And for a while, it works. Water tastes better. There's a sense of improvement, a feeling of control. But over time, that feeling starts to fade, because what seemed simple at the beginning begins to change. Filters need replacing. Performance becomes less predictable. Costs start to add up. And slowly, the easy solution becomes something else. Something you have to manage. That's where the shift begins. Not suddenly, but gradually. Because families don't wake up one day and say, "I don't want filters anymore." They start asking smaller questions. Is this still working? Is this enough? Is there something simpler? And those questions lead somewhere deeper. Because the real issue isn't the filter itself. It's the dependency. The real issue isn't cleaning the water. It's relying on a system you don't fully understand. That's the turning point. When people stop looking for better filters, and start looking for different approaches. Something more transparent. Something they can see working. Something they don't have to constantly replace. Because over time, convenience isn't just about installation. It's about what happens after. And that's what many families begin to realize. A solution only feels simple if it stays simple. And that's why some families are moving away from traditional filters. Not because filters don't work, but because they're looking for something that fits better into daily life. Something with fewer moving parts, less maintenance, more clarity. If you want to explore how some people are approaching water solutions in a more practical and low-maintenance way, there's a structured breakdown in the description that shows how it works step by step. And if you're interested in content that helps you rethink everyday systems like this, consider subscribing. Because sometimes, the reason people move on from something isn't failure, it's friction.